Right, we're going to do two things today. One is to actually have images on our site, and the other is to get some cool and snazzy fonts going down. So images is a bit of a problem in Codepen because they don't host image assets for you unless you pay them money. So we're going to host image assets elsewhere. I have this photo of my cat who won at Tetris today, and I'm going to upload that to imgur.com. So I think I have that open in an incognito window because they don't like ad blockers. So I'm going to say new post, and I'm going to drag my image that I've downloaded there. Cool, done. And what I find is the best thing to do is to open an image in a new tab, and that's a direct link to the image at this point. So back to my page, and you can just use the same image tags that you've been using in class. And I should see that image appear here. It is a little bit oversized at this point, but you by now have got the skills hopefully to manage the size of your images and so on, probably using a bit of bootstrappy kind of stuff. Don't forget, if you want to have Bootstrap in your page, go to the CSS window, scroll down and make sure you've searched for Bootstrap here and selected the Twitter Bootstrap option. Anyway, that's one thing. The other thing that I thought would be fun and cool to do would be to have some Google Fonts in your page. So if you go to Google Fonts, here's a lot of free to use fonts which are hosted by Google, which is really nice of them. I like this one, which Akaya Televagala. I'm sure I got that wrong. Actually a pretty cool font. Some of them are pretty ugly, but this one's nice. So I'm going to select this one, and here's what it says. Embed a font, put this into the head of your HTML. Right, so Codepen, it doesn't show us the head, but that's fine. We're just going to put it here. It works okay. And then, obviously, I haven't specified to use that font yet. So if we go down here and scroll down, it tells us the actual style, which then uses that font. So I can hop back into Codepen, and I can say maybe my paragraph will get that style, and hopefully I'll see, oh yeah, I like that font a lot. So there you go, that's what I want you to do today. Images hosted elsewhere, like this, and using a Google font or two, and just kind of play around and make things look cool. That'd be really great. Enjoy. And if you've done this again, I'd be so annoyed.